So there we go. Added my fish. First one. Guys don't have fish. So I'm doing two right now. And the next one will be done later. So I'm just putting the fish while I'm doing this, right? So here we go with the next one, guys.